Hey everybody, it's Friday afternoon, and I have been putting something off that I've been looking forward to opening all week. And I thought you might like to watch me open it and see if I like it. So, as you may have seen on our social media pages, that we are in the middle of a fundraiser with my friend Jonathan Ellis selling scent circles from Scentsy. So whenever you place your order from now until the middle of December, that will go towards donations for Advocates for Medically Fragile Kids and C. And you don't even have to wait for the party to be over to get your items shipped. So it came super fast. I think within like 4 or 5 days. It was really quick. So anyway, we're going to open this package. Hopefully y'all can see. It already smells good and it's in Ziploc. All right. So I got three different scents. The first one is very snowy spruce. So I kind of wanted that Christmas tree smell since we finally bought an artificial tree last year. Um, and I missed the smell of having a fresh tree. So see what it smells like. I'm planning to just tuck it away somewhere near the tree. That's really nice. And it's really pretty. So again, this is the very snowy spruce. If you're interested in getting your own. And they come in sets of three. So I have two more for the whole Christmas season. The next set I got is Welcome Home. So again, three of them. Let's see what this smells like. Ooh, I don't know how to describe it. It's nice, very nice. I like this a lot, but I couldn't tell you what's in it. Anyway, so that was Welcome Home. Again, another pretty, it comes with a little thing if you want to hang it, but I was planning to just tuck it away somewhere on my desk or um yeah, tuck it behind a picture frame or something like that. So, okay. Oh, I lied. I must have bought 4 cents. I did. I forgot what I bought. Okay, this is Christmas Cottage. Again, three of those. Let's check it out. Got like a fresh smell. Again, I'm not sure what's in it. I'm not good at that, but it smells really nice. So this is Christmas Cottage. And then the last one I got is coconut lemongrass. I was thinking this might be something nice in the bathroom. So we'll see if I'm right. I think the smell goes with it. Oh yeah, that's nice. I think that will be nice in the bathroom. Oh, it even says when life gives you lemongrass. Are there sayings on the other ones? No, just this one. That's kind of cute. Got a little lemon on it. So again, this is coconut. I can't read it. Coconut lemongrass. So Well, that's my haul. So I will put in the comments the link to order. Again, these sets of three, I think each one was, they're normally $10, but when you buy, I think that was what it was. I bought a four set because then you save some money if you buy four. So anyway, hope to be passing that along. The little tidbit would make great stocking stuffers, as you can clearly see from the size. Um, and yeah, thanks so much to Jonathan again for having us as an organization that's going to benefit from this fundraiser. Thanks, y'all.